Friends, in this video I'm going to talk about Arabic combined meters. That's everything above 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One thing about those beats in the classical Arabic genre, they are really slow. So they give you a different perspective about the speed and how to deal with it. And at the same time, dealing with those combinations, how it becomes set movements, if you can call them, or parts that you can memorize, and then when you string them, you make the bigger beats. The smaller count, like two count combination, or three or four, can be considered a joint or mifsal. Five and six count combination can be considered as a bridge or jisr. And the eight count, it will be a rabta or tie. It's a tie. So again, the way you string them, you come up with those beats. The accents of the beats themselves, they are set. That means you have to really memorize where are they placed every time you play them in order for you to play this beat correctly and then keep a conscious sound so the singers can sing on it, because most of the time those beats are used for singing, and the singers have to memorize the beats as well as the musicians and the drummers, and they have to know how to deal with it and memorize the composition or the song according to that beat. So that's one thing. The other thing, there's a way to approach them also for a better understanding that the beat is set as a straight accent, and then it becomes rounded. Once you memorize it and you feel it as a straight accent, you'll be able to round it up, and you'll see these joints and bridges and ties in action in that thing. I will start explaining slowly, and we'll start with the first beat, the Awis beat. It's made out of 3 and 4 and 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's always. You can ornament it, you can fill it with a few rolls, like qarshi, hand roll, finger roll, or just play it plain, so for the singer not to get distracted, and you can keep up with them and keep the beat very clear. So you notice the accent keeps repeating the same way. The next one will be the 12 beat, and that's one of the combinations that's also popular. It's called Mudawwar Masri, and it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's the 12. And again, that's one form. There are a couple of other forms, the one called Mudawwar Halabi and Mudawwar Shami, or Mudawwar Turki. And they're not as popular in the use, so this one will be the most, just to study and get an idea about how those beats are made. And for reference, I can provide names of songs made to those beats. 13, also there's another one that can be done as a faster cycle or slower cycle. If it's really slow, it will be called Murabba, and it's made out of 3, 8, and 2. And this is another good example. Like, we have joints on both sides and rabta in the middle. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 14 would be called Muhajjar, and that's one form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. A 16 beat, that's one form called Nawakht Hindi, and it's played this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The second one will be called Muhammad's Turkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, the last one I'm going to demonstrate is the 17 beat, 17/8. It's a bit faster. It's called خوش rank. 2 words, خوش rank. So this one is this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, thank you.